Hello, friends. Today, we're here with a new video on multi-thread CNC turning center programming. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of programming CNC turning centers for multi-thread operations. We'll cover essential topics like workpiece setup, tool selection, machine configuration, and G-code programming. Multi-thread CNC turning centers are crucial for industries requiring high-volume production and precision. They excel at handling multiple tasks concurrently, boosting efficiency in manufacturing processes. Configure work setup. Set the turning diameter, x-axis, and z-axis parameters in the work setup settings to match your workpiece dimensions. Specify job details. Provide job-specific details, including tooling information, speeds, feeds, and any other relevant parameters. Add job. Add the configured job to your project or workspace. Confirm and save. Click OK to confirm and save the work setup settings. Import DXF file. Import the DXF file into the software, ensuring it is aligned with your workpiece dimensions. Select machining process. Choose the desired machining process, such as contour turn, from the available options. Configure options. Select all the necessary options related to the chosen machining process, including tool paths, depths of cut, and any additional parameters. Confirm and generate. Click OK to confirm your selections and settings, which will trigger the software to generate the CNC program based on the imported DXF file and your machining process preferences. These steps guide you through the process of setting up your workpiece, specifying job details, importing a DXF file, selecting a machining process, and generating the CNC program with the chosen parameters. In Turn software, programming CNC turning centers for multi-threaded operations is made incredibly easy. The software provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to generate CNC programs for different types of multi-threaded turning operations with great convenience. Turn software simplifies CNC turning center programming for multi-threaded tasks. It offers a straightforward interface where you can select the number of threads you want to generate: 2 stars, 3 stars, or 4 stars. When you click on the desired option, 2, 3, or 4 stars, the software automatically generates the CNC program for the multi-threaded operation you specified. This automation eliminates the need for manual G-code programming, streamlining the process and reducing the chance of errors. It's a user-friendly solution that makes multi-thread CNC turning programming accessible even for those without extensive programming expertise. This feature enhances efficiency and accuracy in the creation of multi-threaded parts using CNC turning centers. Choose the specific tool path you want to follow and then proceed to initiate the automated tooling process, ensuring precision and efficiency in machining operations. Single thread operation process with toolpath. Double thread operation process with toolpath. To automatically generate cycle time for a CNC machining operation, you typically need to use CAM, computer-aided. Click Check Tool List Details suggests a quick and easy way to access and review the details of a tool list with a single click. Automatically generating a power graph typically involves using software or tools designed for data analysis, simulation, or monitoring of selective CNC programs. Automatically generate program.